What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 game development live stream where we're working in a gas course project, a multiplayer action RPG example project built from scratch using C++, blueprints, playability system plugin, and all that. So, when we were doing last time, we've been trying to go through the gameplay animation sample project, trying to get the animation stuff to be set up in a similar way, and kind of running into like crashes and weird behavior. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on. To reduce the number of crashes, though, I put a fix somewhere. The file's not open anymore. I basically added a conditional to see if we were getting to like a negative number, like -1 for the indices of like whatever the bones were iterating over. So that stopped the crashes. So we're at a decent spot where, at the very least, we're moving. Obviously, we're stuck in idle, but that's fine. So we're going to continue from there. So we're going to start with the post search. We're just going to see where we can go there. I wonder if we can add back like all the idles and kind of look at the examples that they gave. Just to like compare and contrast. Let's go ahead and open up post search databases. That's yeah, well, so they got dense. So their version with dense is the equivalent of our normal one here. So I kind of want to compare and contrast. So right now we have stand and idles and walks, but when I'm debugging this, for whatever reason, it doesn't go into the correct state based on it. I'm wondering if I'm doing something wrong. Let's debug our character. So it looks like our gate not updating correctly. No, the gate is pulled in, right? Character gate. I wonder, I gotta debug this one too. Let's see which version is, because it should return walk. It doesn't change value. I don't know. I have to get a reference to theirs and see where they're both. Because right now, the problem is it goes to wants to walk and this is false. It goes and this is true. Run. Gating. What does this mean? Yeah, it's walk, run, or speed. We gotta see why it doesn't go to walk. Definitely use our their stuff. Maybe because I didn't base it off of, so I might need to open up the sample project again. Take a look at that. No big deal. Just gotta see if they're setting that boolean explicit. Synth radio. Something. I think this probably isn't being read correctly. Analog walk one. I don't have those variables anyway. I just copied what I needed in order for the animation blueprint file in the first place. And also, yeah, the issues with the artifacting and everything seems to have to do with these lanes and these additive blend spaces and stuff like that. If once I bypass them, we don't at least get the growing and shrinking. So we gotta look at how those are set up, because something is wrong there. So take a look at that as well, hopefully, a bit. I kind of want to just see how far I can get with the animations that we have. I believe in this project we added our elf character just to see if it would work. Yeah, we have this elf character. We know technically it works, you know. Obviously the head is not on correct. Fine. But we know it's possible, you know? Let's look here. I think it's just sandbox character that we gotta look at. So they're definitely, yeah, they're taking enhanced information. Yeah, if we go on tick, printing mechanic stuff, all well and good. Jumped, landed. Here's tick, so update movement. This, and then calculate walk speed. So I think I gotta do something similar. Could change. Go a window. I'm not gonna worry about it for now. So yeah, let's update move, because right now that we just have return get desired gate with it, and we gotta do something called calculate speed. Well, calculate that. They have a curve to look at. We have to see variables. So local, so strafe map, local. Gate, I believe. Ouch. All well and good. So what is this rate? Still. Curves. Curve underscore map. Values here? No. We're gonna have to go one by one. Curve. Get one at 0, 0. 0. Key. Next one. 30 seconds. Got these. Zero good. Next one. 80. Well, 80 down. Always forget. Snap the curve. mapping. It's one of those things where I can close it and open it. So the next value is 150. That's the same got there. Add this value. Walk speeds and stuff. Now we gotta add these values that match walk speed. Copy that. So 200, 175 by 150. Run speed. Higher one, and then they also have crouch speeds. We'll figure. I don't know if I want to have crouch first place, but we'll just add the value. Just be consistent with what we're doing. Strafe speed map, all good. That's all fine. Now this is pure function. Definitely pure, but I don't know. Pure, not con. This value we set to the character movement. That. That. Get desired gate. We have analog run thresholds. 0.7. That. Have these. It does exist. Just see what happens. We're moving like that. Break this down. Wants to walk. How's that being? A walk input toggle. Okay, so I think potentially the problem, because this is like a walk. Maybe this has to be run. See what happens with it. Okay, so we got something. So I think that's the problem. We don't really have a forced walk set up. But at the very least, we know a little bit more about what's going on. So I think we can. I think it's safe to say we can update our idles first. Have stand idles. This one, which we have walking character right now. So yeah, stand idles, neutral, and walk. All those are the same. Gucci there. The next one is walk stops. I don't think I edited this at walk stops one, so I should be able to add a new row. Asset. Stand walk stops. This one. Let's just populated. is we have duplicates. Okay. Start walk stop. So gate walk 29. If false, just heavy false. Any. Now, next one is run stops. Populated. This one is run. $909. Just landed false, false, and any. Break. A crash. Totally cool. Okay, hopefully we didn't lose much there in the crash. I'm sure we did, but maybe it won't be too bad. I also wonder if I know T-Swift is playing today, the Warsaw National Stadium, so I wonder if you're going to hear me in the background. Up some assets. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay. Cool. Alright, so where do we stand? Idols. Okay, we lost all this stuff that we just added. So, asset. Walk stops. Let's just add all the rows and assets. Run stops. Save often. Light. Don't think we'll need those again. Maybe we will because of possible jumping. I don't know if I want jumping, but we'll see. Lands heavy. Idle, right? And the last one's turn in place, I believe. Is it just idle turn in? Now, let's update the chooser values. We know all these last ones are going to be something. And these front ones are going to be 20. The rest it could be 0. So then we got any, and then this one equal to walk, run, any. Start from the bottom, so false, false, true. Right. False. Any. False. So false, any, last one, last. All false, then true, false, yes. False, true, false. Numbers look correct. All that looks good. That bad boy. Now we can do walks. So yeah, again, we're going to start with just the assets. So this one is walk starts. It's walk pivots. Walk spin. Oh. Then walk from reversal, walk land light, up. That's it. Bean. Now we gotta do this. Walk starts through any just land false. Any cool. Any false false. Correct there already. Any and then through because it's pivots. False false through. In transition, any, everything is any. Walk from traversal, any, and then false, false. Lands light, any, 3 any's false. I think that's everything. Now we can do runs. So, there runs. That assets. First one is starts. Pivots. Run, spin. Run, reversal. Run my light. Run my heavy. Add columns to this, so cool, starting, all the same. First, and light. Good. So this one through. All. Next one. Any. Run pivots should through on. By false. Then transition. With the false is here. False for this. From traversal, here, false. Oops. I think, and then the next one is in air, but let's not. Wonder if we're gonna get any sort of interesting result. Okay. Interesting. No problem. Alright, but we are making progress. So I think what we need to do is do a comparison animation booth. Okay. Project. Open up theirs. Box character. So I'm gonna move my guy back here. But the first concerning part really is the fact that he's just kind of moving. Hey Casper, how's it going? So update motion matching. Probably our first place to look. Because I don't know why my guy's moving. I'm not fighting too much with the animations. I'm at least not getting like the consistent crash anymore. We are getting like, you know, weird behaviors and stuff, but you know, at least things are happening. So I'm kind of reverse engineering what they did in their different. What maybe I'm doing wrong. Because like by default, their character is like in idle pose. My guy's moving left. So based on, it says current selected database is stand run loot or whatever. Like interrupt modes that I set up correctly, but I am curious as to why getting that. Select animation, that's the database. But for whatever reason, going here, run loop. Oh, I know why, because it's here. Now he's an idol. Got that going. He's doing something. But yeah, I don't know. Not sure what. Oh, if it's something with character. I would be curious to see what they have set up for like the orient to movements and stuff like that. Go look at their custom settings here. It looks fine. what I assume is the use controller desired rotation. That should be false for them, and then there's like controller. Oh, that's false. Got some good. Oh, thanks for the follow, chugging my hiatus or chugging my. Music is a bit too loud today. Thank you. Hopefully that's a little better. Let me know if it's not. Much better. Cool. Thank you for the heads up. Let's see where we stand for orientation. I'm definitely getting either the wrong animation being chosen or something else. I also could look at their gotta look at max acceleration. They have at 800. Braking friction factor, they have at 1. Max walk speed. Grid, that's what I have mine. 10 analog walk speed. They have at 150. That braking deceleration 50. Rotation rate. Jump velocity at 5. Air control. I'm curious if any of these settings do anything. Seems like the data that I'm pushing is just wrong in some way. Thank you for subscribing, Vosi Seneke. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Over on YouTube, I'm much appreciated. Yeah. At this point now, I just gotta. Guess I gotta figure out. I'm guessing the actual character print and whatnot. Because they also do something called update rotation. I have to do that as well because rotation is hitting correctly. And that variable something here isn't right at all. And what else did they do? They do something for the camera. We're good with that. Move input stuff, gamepad stuff, sprinting, look at later. They have jump, crouch, strafing stuff we don't care about too much. Performing traversal action, whatever, and then lands. So that seems more or less the same at this point. So I wonder. I wonder if this offset root bone thing is problematic. Just for the sake of trying what this does. Doesn't really make a difference. Wonder if we force this to true. Plug this back in. What happened? Why is that wrong? Duh. Try again, force this through. Results basically the same. Like that, not worry about it. And my assumption is if we plug this back in, bring in this will bring. At least we're not getting any weird things so far. But yeah, let's try to figure out what's next. I think we're gonna need, because because the gameplay debugger doesn't work for wind. Like that doesn't do it. Which sucks, but at least go into here. We know we're going into runs. We're going into the run loops. Something about this run loops not correct. Unless it could be issue with the pose history. Which could be part of it. Let's see what they're doing. The pose count, sampling interval 0. They're using a spine 5 for this. I don't know if I need to like to do anything. Like yeah, not getting faults. Also curious if I were that. Curious if I get anything. Wondering if the problem that there's like ocean. So I feel like look at these. Back. Well. Let's look at their search runs, run loops. Won't have run backward. Look at our run backwards. Their run backwards. They have enabled check. Like all this seems very strange. But yeah, I'm not sure. Again, looking at their all well and good. Ours, not so much. Trying to think what else problematic. I'm not worried about orient. That's already good. Update here. Stuff here. Normalization. Oh, now it's not picking. Can I change? There's run loops, walk stops, idles. Run stop. Getting here. I could just debug this. In the run loops, which we assumed. Are any? Let me look at their run loop. They're all set up in a similar. Stuff is set up correctly. They got 16 animated. I have 18. They got back. No! What happened? Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Don't know what that was. Yeah, LLLR, and then I have. And we got the shuffle LR. Alright, so now I have doubles. LR to LL, and then. Okay, no. Correct. So yeah, 16. For whatever reason, they have the same animation sequences, but the total frames they have is 1133. I have 1131. Walk to neutral, transition walk to run, R foot, L foot, run shuffle. They got 4 shuffles, right? Neutral, run shuffle, L. All see. Okay. Okay. Looks fine. For whatever reason. Get desired gate. Fine. Motion matching. Whose history? Let's start from the beginning. Got references. Good. Update essential values. Character transform, this stuff. Acceleration. That stuff. Generate trajectory. No issues. So montage with motion. Like, is there? Like. Something tells me it's with the trajectory. Item instance and trajectory data. Normal. Previous desired control. Yeah. Not really setting that anymore. Stuff at time. There has to be a way to debug the motion matching trajectory. 2E5 bug. Post search schema. So there's trajectory channels. That's a problem. Got this trajectory channel goals. Let's compare with theirs. Default. Break this. Number of permutations 1. Okay, channels. Trajectory channel, Y, velocity and facing, have all different weightings. That's my problem. So, example 1 have negative 0.05, 3. Next one, 0 and 1. 1, 0.35, 1. The last one, somehow. So for sure, heart tells me it's the so let's see, trajectory. The trajectory channel is used for sampling a character's movement trajectory and is designed to be used in conjunction with the character's trajectory component. What's the trajectory? That I don't know. Maybe it's not important. Other channel. Well, let's look at run loop. Alt. Got 4 sub. Let's make sure. So we got the trajectory channel. Proposed. I use Got 4 sub channels. So position, velocity, velocity. Velocity. First position channel. So, bone, foot left, right? Foot. Sample roll, none. Origin. Foot. Wait 1, sampling ID -1, 0, use pose, none, use full time. That one, on velocity channel. L. So none, orange bone. Wait 3, -1, 0. Character space velocities, yeah, normalize. Type. Normalization group. Guessing I have to set something else up. Next. The next velocity channel, I guess the other foot, yeah. R. And then 0.3, 1, 0, 0. Oh, that's all good. Station group. Last one. Heading channel. All this. None. 1. 8. Pose strip. That's let me go to the normalization. They have like set. Oh. Addition and all. They have 15 databases. Got it. Had a bunch. SD for one debt. Let's, I guess, go one by one. Now, then idle length. Heavy. Idles. Run. Have the head. Bits. Starts. Ops. Walk. Star. Ops. Run from traverse. I don't know why I can't say traverse. Say traversal. Oh. I can idle. Database. Okay, hopefully. Out. So I wonder what they're doing. Not sure why, I guess. Behavior. At least we're making progress, I suppose. Adding animation. Example, yeah, motion matching. I hope it doesn't. It is this custom. Very upsetting that it worked. My project. This word. I don't get that behavior. Search. seems like trajectory is correct. Also tag I don't know, so for me, like so I don't know why it chooses honestly. Kinda sucks that the rewind debugger bird. Like, we're super close out for whatever giving me just bad information. Let's get like, should I be using like done here? Good. Like, the data looks fine. Like, if I were to debug this, for example, like, it immediately starts like recording stuff. Does it? Yes. Very. There's like some difference that I'm not anything like velocity or anything. Let me just pick out max walk speed. Yeah, for like whatever reason, like it's just wrong. Kind of sucks that like debugging thing. I guess it doesn't even start recording. I know I looked into this already and I didn't find any look for. That seems pretty fine. Bugger, not. Like not starting, not recording. Like this got an answer, but like pretty confident. What was all open? Let's just try to follow this guide again. Close all of this stuff, so now I gotta go to my engine, install it. Platform. Like you think it's like I have. Because this EXE should be somewhere. Yeah, Unreal 5. So Unreal Insights. Oh, it exists other version. Do I have to like file it? But if you install the binary version of Unreal, you should have a compiled version of it in the following directory. So I gotta find it and compile it, it seems. So engine, this, build, patch files. I do think I gotta do from there. Should be able to here. Should be able to run. You see that like. Okay, it's doing something. Now we're just compiling. Slowly but surely. Once that's done. That and run it. Now it should be. In binary 4. Site stuff. That's good that it's there. Project as well. This. I'll open that bit open. I'm gonna open up my project. Action. Open, they say check for the server on the right. Now you can check. Doubt it? Let's see. Code, yes. Oh. play. Still. So I think, I mean, I feel like I'm going to be stuck on this for a while. So the rewind debugger is a bug debugging thing, blah, blah, blah. Sake of, let's open up. Actually, no. Let's world settings. Let's go to just first person. Go to third person. This is not. Well, fun stuff. Probably have to end the stream soon, but I'm at least happy with progress. At least we're seeing some animations playing. Confusing that it's not the right ones. I don't know what I've set up incorrectly here. Try opening up the third person character again, see if we get version. At least it doesn't crash. That compiles. I have a bunch of third person characters. Other game. Gamescape, Stylescape, stylized weather, projectile. Recording. Starting. And I'm not sure how to debug that on it. It'd be way above my pay grade. So I think what I'm gonna do, just because it's already been an hour and a half, might want to just call it there. So close. frame. Not letting us record. Start recording animation inside. Bam, nothing happened. Let's open up gameplay sample project one more time. So let me stand my butt up. Let's start. Compare what plugins we have enabled to what we see in the gameplay animation sample. And different. So let's go into plugins. So they have compare. So 10x, actor layers, actor sequence, AI support, the importer. Okay, let's start with the stuff. So do I have animation insights? Yes, probably the most important, right? So animation compression, animation data, animation insights, locomotion library, animation modifier, sharing, warping. Seems fine. Or a bug. Animation insights. This. Oh. Like, oh, so close. Like, I wonder if it with I'll print out this length at least. That's always 0. Too many IA moves. That's fine. And this world space one? Don't know. Oh. References. IMC motion map. Wonder if their IMC is also set up the same way. I don't know what. Okay, so world space is just up, down, left, right. So we're gonna ignore that. So I just want to. I know I said I would stop streaming, but you know me. Was strength bit. But I wonder if gamepad is it worse or better. same. I guess that's good. Look at keep. So I move, so W has the same swizzle. Swizzle. A S same. A we know. No, it's not that. So yeah, for now. Now I don't know what I third person open. Override. Technically. Tools. Bug. I'm curious if anyone else has run into this issue. I think I'll have to try to post in the Unreal Slackers. I just don't know where it would be. Because there's no explicit like animation panel, so I might have to just post in general, but I think I'm gonna have to post about this, try to figure out how I can do it, because it's kind of a brick wall trying to figure out why the trajectory is all messed up. So I think that's where I'm gonna end it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to both Chuggin My Istis for the follow here on Twitch, and Vusi Seneke on YouTube for the subscription there. And Casper, thanks for stopping by, hanging out. If you're still here, thank you so much. If there is anyone else watching that isn't following me here on the Twitch, that would be much appreciated. We'll probably be streaming again sometime next week. I'll be in Serbia for a bachelor party, so not going to do anything. But the weekend of the 16th, we'll do a marathon stream, hopefully, because I want to participate in the Game Maker Kit Game Jam. So we'll stream the work there. We're going to try to work in Godot. So look forward to that. And in the meantime, I'm going to research how to get one debugger. So have a good night, everybody.